Welcome to Embed360, helping you sell more of what you love to create. In this short video, I'll walk you through how to take your Embed360 shop code and embed it on your Weebly website in just a few simple steps. Feel free to pause during any part of this tutorial. Let's get started! Let's first start by adding the Embed360 supporting code to your website's footer. Click on the Edit button from the Weebly dashboard. Next, click on the Settings button from the Edit website navigation. In the left column, click on SEO. Next, navigate back to your Embed360 Embed Code dashboard and copy the supporting code to your clipboard. Go back to your website and paste the copied code to the footer code section and click Save and Publish. Now that we have successfully added the Embed360 supporting code, let's now add your main listing shop page. Click on Pages from the top navigation, then click on Standard Page. Give your new page a name. For this example, we are going to call our page Shop, but feel free to call the page whatever you'd like. Now let's add the supporting listings shop code. Be sure you are editing your newly created shop page. Click on Build from the top navigation. Next, locate Embed Code block in the left column and drag it into the Elements section on the page. Now, navigate back to Embed360 and locate the main shop page supporting code and copy the code to your clipboard. Next, navigate back to your website and paste the code to the Embed Code block. Finally, click on Publish. Let's move on to the next step. The next step is to tell Embed360 where your main shop page is located. We first want to copy your shop's URL to the clipboard. Head back to Embed360 and navigate to Etsy Embed Settings. In the first input box, paste in your copied website's shop URL and click Save towards the bottom of the page. Navigate back to your website and reload your website, and you should see your listings appear. And that's how easy it is to embed your Etsy shop on your Weebly website using Embed360. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, or check out our help center for more guides. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!